Hey girl, did you miss me?
I heard you bitches was looking for me.
Girl, it's giving chocolate covered toffee.
Smells chocolatey, eh?
Hey girl, get ready with me. Welcome back. I missed you. Did you miss me? So listen, today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and I am super excited. This look that I'm putting together is actually from the 1950s. It's supposed to be like a pinup style, also neutral glam look combined. I know. So I don't know if you guys remember, but there was at one point where I was actually looking for a new makeup artist. I had tried several makeup artists, and you guys actually said you felt like I did my makeup better than the makeup artist. Okay, cute. Online Makeup Academy. So listen, Online Makeup Academy kind of has one-on-one personal video guidance with an instructor, and it gives you like a lifetime access even after you.
He gon' flip me like a fidget spinner. Like this bitch. I couldn't even.
Completed the whole makeup academy. You get post-graduation mentorship and guidance, and it's one of the only online schools that offers personalized radio feedback and one-on-one individual interaction. I like the Online Makeup Academy course because it covers all skin tones, ethnicities, face shapes, skin types, as well as hygiene and sanitation. It's everything that anyone needs to kickstart a career as a makeup artist, or if you're like me and you're really just wanting to have a completed look and get some step-by-step help to give you that finished look, professional look, then it's definitely for you. I will put all of the information down below in the description box, so definitely check out Online Makeup Academy. I hope that you enjoy this look, girl. Let's get into it because we almost finished, period.
Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so? It seems like your mind is elsewhere whenever we're on the phone. Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me yet. I believe it's true, you're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheetah, do you feel better now that you've broken my trust? Oh, boy, do you even remember that love is more than just lust? Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me yet. I believe it's true, you're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I've had enough of you, you're just too much. I'm way too good for you, you're just a bluff. I'm so fed up with you, it's bad enough that I'm way too good for you. I believe it's true, you're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I believe it's true, you're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've for you.
Hey, girl. Did you miss me?
I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I go.
You know you missed me. Oh, I missed you. So listen, we went ahead and went over this beautiful eye look that I got. You know, I was trying something new, a little razzle dazzle. I decided instead of the tape ends, I wanted a bang, yang, 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 yang. Because I feel like the bang has resurrected like a phoenix out of the ashes, girl. Even though mine is still giving holiday hearts.
I'm begging.
I digress. Now, with that being said, this is a get ready with me. I'm going to give you the full razzle dazzle. We did the makeup, the wig, which was quick, fast, and in a hurry. Let me check you through the jewelry, the perfume, more accessories, a bag, some boots, and the look. It's really, really cute. But you know, you're going to let me know. Is it a look, girl? It's a look or no? It's a look or it's a no? It's a look or it's a no? Okay, anyway. So, let's talk about the jewelry, which will be quick, fast, and in a hurry. So, I decided to actually try and wear a necklace. It's short, so it's me and my neck. So, we'll see how that works out. I'm doing these little rope studs. I'm doing the baddie bracelets. They are back. Necklace. Let's get in addition to that, let's get into this dress. And no, it's not the one I have on. So, this dress I saw from our girls over there at the Shein, okay? I thought the dress was really, really, really cute on, but let's see how it's gonna look on me. Okay, girl. Hey. Girl, I think this is gonna be one of the quickest get ready with me's I've ever done. This dress is very cute. I really like the print, the pattern, the fit. It has a little bit of stretch on the arms, but that's it. I'm not feeling any more stretch. The wraparound, false, like wraparound portion here is a little bit odd and should be sitting down a little bit lower for me. Also, this baby doll portion right here, the way it blouses out, to me is giving very much so brunch with mama, let's go to church, we have a faculty meeting, y'all, let's meet in a gymnasium. It's giving all of that, right? That's not what I'm looking for. Anybody knows me by now knows I'm not giving gymnasium types of vibes, girl. That's just not me. So what I want to do is to take a brooch and gather it here so that way it has a little bit more of a wrap, like a fake wraparound. So I'm thinking, I want it to kind of come up on one side. I want it to have a little bit more shape to it. Y'all, I'm ashy, I'm just letting y'all know. This is the dress. It's a yes for me. Definitely, this is cute. Now, let's get the shoes. And we are in winter time. You already know, girl. Let's get into these boots. And then for the perfume, let's do Dossier. Now, y'all, I don't know if y'all noticed, but Dossier done talked themselves into Walmart. So now when you go into Walmart, you don't have to worry about shipping anymore or trying to get it shipped to your house, because Dossier is now into Walmart. I think at over like 1,400 stores across the US. I will put the link down below in the description. As you guys know, I don't make any money when you purchase this perfume. Y'all know I'm going to give it to you 100% real. What smells good, smells good. I get compliments all the time on my scent because I like it fruity. I like it edible. I like it sexy. That's just me. Floral, fruity, dope, you know, rose, bergamot, vanilla. That's kind of more me. I don't really do the woody, spicy, gourmand, Carolina Herrera, manly, masculine fragrances. Those aren't really the type of fragrances that I like. Now, if you do like those, there's nothing wrong with it. Just me personally, I prefer something sweet. So today I'm gonna do Ambery Cherry, you guys, which is the Tom Ford dupe. It has almond, cinnamon, cherry, cloves, plum, rose, vanilla, and tonka bean, and Peru balsam, which is basically all of the things that I like. And I'm always getting compliments. So get your Dossier, girl. And it's cheaper because I'm still on a travel size of that cherry Tom Ford, the $10 one. Don't judge me. Let's put these boots on. Let's get some shades. Let's see what she's giving with the final look. Okay, let's get into it. Did you miss me? I miss you, girl. Okay, so this will be my final look. As you guys know, these are my favorite boots. They are knee highs. This is my bag. One of you dolls asked for a layered look for the fall. And this is giving all of our favorite colors. Or it's giving chocolate covered toffee.
Smells chocolatey, eh?
Period. I'll make sure that everything is down below in the description box. Get down below in the comments and let me know, is this a look, girl? It's a look or it's a no? It's a look or it's a no? I feel like it's a look. This is cute. This is cute, girl. Period. Beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? Let me know down below, and I will see you in the next video. And I promise it won't take that long this time. Okay? We out.